Here's the news of the day.
Eve Air Mobility has partnered with Embraer CAE Training Services to provide specialized training for pilots, technicians, and ground crew of its eVTOL aircraft, enhancing safety and operational readiness for urban air mobility.
The New York National Guard's 106th Rescue Wing celebrated the arrival of its advanced HH-60W Jolly Green II helicopters, enhancing its combat search and rescue capabilities to meet 21st-century demands.
Salus Aviation and StandardAero have partnered to expand engine and component repair capabilities, promising faster turnaround times for the growing helicopter industry across North and South America.
Bell Textron Canada donates 1,800 aircraft components worth $6.2 million Canadian dollars to Saskatchewan Indian Institute of Technologies, enhancing hands-on training for Indigenous students in aviation.
ZeroAvia and PowerCell are collaborating on advanced fuel cell tech to support hydrogen-electric aircraft, targeting applications in larger planes and aiming for certification soon.
Explorate completed a 550 kilometers pipeline inspection using advanced BVLOS drone technology, marking a world first in asset monitoring and reducing the need for manned aircraft.
Jackson Square Aviation partners with Future Energy Global to boost sustainable aviation fuel access, supporting the industry's net zero emissions goal by 2050.
Portside is acquiring Collins Aerospace's flight operations system to expand its software suite, enhancing real-time management for business aviation operators.
Former Air Hamburg team launches Luminaire, a new German charter operator, focusing on flexible services for brokers and aiming to grow its fleet soon.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.